we need to find the area inside both these curves. So first order of business is to know what kind of curves they are. So we can use our calculator for that. I'm gonna make sure that everything is cleared. You can always bring this polar grid by hitting mod and highlighting polar here. So let's write our first curve. R is equal to 3 sine theta. That is my first curve. Let's look at that. It's a circle with center on the y-axis at 3/2. Let's put the second one. That is 3 cosine theta. That should also be a circle, but that's a red circle with your center on the x-axis. Okay, so let's see what area we need to find. So area is inside both. That means we need to find this area. Okay, so to know this portion, first of all, we need to find the intersection points of the curves where they are intersecting. To find intersection, the method is pretty simple. You need to equate both the equation. So 3 sine theta is equal to 3 cosine theta. 3 can divide both sides. So basically sine theta is equal to cosine theta. Tangent theta, if you divide by cosine theta on both sides, we will get tangent theta is 1. When is tangent theta 1? Theta is pi/4. Okay. So this equation is, they are intersecting each other at pi/4. So we need to find our area here. 0 is this line, pi/4 is this line. Okay. Now, although that area has to be in both the curves, so but if I can still just find area in the blue curve from 0 to pi/4, that is this red area. And if I double it, that's gonna give me my actual area. So this is the strategy I am using. I'm only working on the blue curve. The blue curve is the first curve, which has a circle with center on y-axis. I'm gonna only find area in the blue curve from 0 to pi/4. That's gonna be that red area. So let's write that. Area is equal to, so how do you find that? The formula is half r square integral from with respect to the theta from alpha to beta. We don't even need to subtract any angles here because it's just one circle I'm using. 0 to pi/4, half outside, r square is 3 sine theta whole square d theta. But that's only red portion. We need to find the whole highlighted area. That is gonna be double of this. So actual area inside both the curves is double of this blue area. We cancel it out. So what do we have? Integral from 0 to pi/4, 3 square, which is 9. I can pull it out. Sine square theta d theta. How do you integrate sine square theta? There is no direct formula. First, we need to change sine square theta to 1 minus cosine 2 theta by 2. So let's do that. 9 outside, integral 0 to pi/4. Sine theta can be replaced by 1 minus cosine 2 theta by 2 with respect to theta. So this by 2 can come out. So we have 9/2. Integral, let's just do the integral. Integral of 1 is theta minus integral of cosine is sine 2 theta by 2 from 0 to pi/4. Now all that left is we need to put the upper limit minus the lower limit. When we put upper limit pi/4, so minus sine 2 times pi/4 by 2. When I put 0, theta is 0, sine 0 is also 0, so everything is just 0. Okay. This 2 cancels. This is sine pi/2, which is 1. So 9/2 outside. Pi/4 minus sine pi/2 is 1 by 2. We can say 9 pi/8 minus 9/4. 4 is your answer for the area.